Hi everybody, in this lesson we will learn some tricks while working with audio files. If you have an audio layer in the composition, you can uncheck it while previewing and working to make the working faster. You can uncheck it from here, from the column on the left, or from the previewing panel. In the previewing panel, you uncheck all audio files, but from the column, you can uncheck a specific file. But while you render, make sure that you check the audio. In the output module, you can force the audio to be on or off. If you choose auto, it depends on you choose in the timeline whether you check or uncheck it. So be careful while rendering. If you choose on, it will be render. If you choose off, it will not be render. If you choose auto, it will be render. If you check it in the timeline, it will not be render if you uncheck it in the timeline. If you want to see the audio wave represented graphically, you can first choose L, which open the audio levels, which you can from here both increase the level of the audio or decrease it. You can also, it will be louder with positive values and it will be quieter with negative values. You can twirl down here to see the audio wave, and you can from the beginning click LL to see the wave form. It helps you to judge what happens. You can drag it down to see the details. So be careful while working with audio files, and in most cases you may not need them while working in animation, so you can uncheck them while working. That's it. Thank you and see you next lesson.